아주 근데 레어를 랑진에 또 I 레어를 랑쟁기. Hello.
No matter.
We lighting 아주 레어 말와. 왜 말해?
No
어제
matter.
시 it 데이처럼. 다른 친구 혼자 가지고 this pronoun 망치면 subject later. I am boy lana dinang I 카테고리 subject 쳐러와. They are my friends lana dinang sentence dinang they 카테고리 디가 subject 쳐러와. 제전 딘둘라 pronoun 라고. How say?
Akoso.
Okay, next objective pronoun. Objective pronoun 가르쳐 you, him, her, them, it 라니요. 따디 나노 디 가디 베지창나 when a pronoun is an object in sentence, sentencing 나노라 계시 pronoun 디 object 차되나 디디 베지 다요레. 스펜체나 they caught her last week. 디나 게니 objective pronoun 가래?
They.
Huh?
They.
Them.
In this sentence, which noun is the objective pronoun?
Her.
Very good. Her like cherwa. Oh.
Her.
Tanashik, I sent him a letter and Tinaki objective pronoun krichare.
Him.
Very good. Tarare. Shimanzo coaches we. Lobsang,
Yes.
you there? Are you understanding? Lobsang?
He said yes.
Okay, good. Then next the
My
possessive
country.
pronoun. Yes. Okay. The next thing is to possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun is the current pronoun dinyam de mide current noun dinyam de shamba ki mingsi jen samba digi possessive lana digi color the pensashana this is mine le samba mine le di khare dinangi.
Third position pronoun.
Mine di dinangi possessive pronoun chharwa.
Right.
This is a possessive pronoun. This book is mine. Lana mine de khat sungdulana dev de ni churangi imbachi dungu dumundo.
Do.
Therefore, mine is a possessive pronoun in this sentence. Remare. Tanashi gandada. This is my book, lady. Which pronoun is possessive pronoun re?
Mine.
My.
My. Very good. My is a possessive pronoun because my khatungulana book is churangi imba tungdoa. Remare.
Yes.
Tanashi.
Right.
This house is ours. Lana. Dina possessive pronoun kadirisha.
Ours.
Oh, good. Very good. Kashi lana. Why?
Mata de chun nganzugi me tangu.
Yes, this pronoun shows that the house is ours. Remember, possessive lana kyunang chala susula tagyot laura. Remember, kyunang tagyo kyunang wang de you. There's something that is belongs to you. So this since house is belongs to you, therefore you say that this house is ours. Remember,
Re.
these pens are yours. Lana dinangi possessive pronoun kadirisha.
Yours.
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 Yours. Very good because yours pendi krangi by krangi digi pronoun dicton to the chesa. This kind of pronouns we called possessive pronouns. Very good. You okay? Thank you. The next kare demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns lana kadu bejidang res. Demonstrative pronoun kare kare tangbo. This, that, those, such. Tadi kadu bejidang re. When we want to point at certain person or object, michi yamna object ilaya. If want to point out, then we use those demonstrative pronouns. Remare. Because you have to demonstrate. 나지금 zumodu stongura, zumodu tsugu kiu remare. Kiranzi nge par tongde, na tongde.
Tungdu.
Good. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm pointing out. I'm demonstrating. Remare. These are my students. See, I'm demonstrating. I'm showing gesture as well as I'm mentioning that these are my students. Remare. These.
Re.
We call demonstrative pronoun. This is my pen. This is my pen. This light na pronoun kachana demonstrate chawar because this this the kachana pen dilangi this mention cheche pen di ngi pen de laura because of me using this the pechutang che and pending here and the represent chetu. Therefore, this kind of pronouns we call demonstrative pronoun la. Whereas tanashingi this ra this para kharkya or kyunjulada.
This
This.
chikre and this
This.
mombure.
Oh, good. Reve lobsan reve. Lobsan. Hi lobsan.
Gela singular plural ra.
Good. Taran re yes. Things correct. Singular plural yes. This lana chikche. The THESE lana mangbola chungu yes. Very good. That this that are those para kharkya.
That's
singular.
chikre.
Okay.
Those.
Okay. Any these are those para kharkya. This THESE da THOSE para likha khare re. Yes. Hello.
Distance.
This got the tinzi la da tell me tinzi joba.
Da this lana zaliora. Kerang zaliora.
Yes. This
Those
kidi.
lana this it's a bit far away.
Okay. Those this very good. Taran kunzu shembo kochuzwe.
Gotus.
Good. Thank you.
Gela.
Yes.
Waiting aro cake kande degodu.
Okay. 그쪽에 구음도 라인배. Hello.
Oh.
이게 구음도 라인배.
Mare waiting aro cake kande degodu.
Okay. Then next is indefinite pronoun. How say? Indefinite pronoun 가지고 비슷한 게 다 indefinite pronoun 갈까요? One, they, all, many, others. 진짜만 가려나 indefinite pronoun res. The indefinite pronoun the 가지고 비슷한 when we want to refer to person or things in a general way, we use indefinite pronoun. 마치 미치 염나 things in general way. 지당 기도 그냥 refer to 나 아니 디베지당 res. 내 말에 괜찮잖아. All attend to party. All the student instead all the tinzi instead tertiary instead any langchendo instead pachudo instead any me instead we don't know who all lana sulem coaching mara. So this all refers to a general things, general person. It didn't specify anything. It is too general. This kind of pronoun lana any indefinite pronoun or indefinite something that is not definite, that is not specified. It is all like too general.
Okay.
What do you say? Few people have read all of Shakespeare's plays. Few people sue. No, few people is not specified. It is specifying a general way. Remare. Can you give few indefinite pronoun whereas then many fathers came to eat lunch. Many fathers. So there's a lot of father. Teshi's father, Thomas' mother, Sirin's father. See, so they didn't any specify which father they are mentioning. So it is general mentioned to a general way of mentioning fathers. Pala didi miskan malache. Pala mangush lesha khalasa lesha samba. So this kind of pronoun na kalawala indefinite pronoun na wores. Also
Koso.
good. Then next kare
Also.
next is distributive pronoun. 통구대. Screen 통도. Good. Thank you, Lobsang. Distributive pronoun kalana either neither each line. Did you ever come across such words when you are reading books or when you are reading a sentence? This kind of pronouns will come across you. So neither dota, either dota, each line do. What in Zolamide kalona distributive pronoun law. 다 가진라는 원래도 this pronoun refers to person or things taken one at a time and refer one another. Particular refer one another or divide one another. Ra. Penchashana 원래 빼셔다 each last 데. Each 는 하래. Each of the shared cost rest 40. 왜 말해? 아주 shared
One by one.
레를 잡아. 그런게 shared 레를 가지 mention each lady is referring to one thing. At one time lamde challenging mention chedu you can more lamde distribute lana khare tamnila
Spreading.
spreading raw dividing raw odire krangi specify chewa krangi dividing chewa distribute chewa that means each lady somebody each take it shared in the distribute chide chido shared la commission distribute la is mention chedu digi pronoun digi. So this kind of pronoun color ani distributive pronoun la ores. Okay?
Yeah.
Good. The either of you can go to movie. Raw. Either of you can go to movie le some either like the color. Either the color either of you can go to movie la color.
Yeah. Both.
Anyone.
No, either of you can go to movie la ninja marwaya. Yes, you are correct. Kunina chick raw. Mini do you know? Nina chick movie ta do shamba do chume. See this pronoun specific divide chido. You know refer to one another. Red remdo. Hello?
Yeah.
Either of you can go to movie lana. Kisi Tenzin Joba da Tenzin Hudun movie ta doing la or tangala. Nilera either of you can go to movie lana. Either Tenzin Joba can go to watch movie or Tenzin Hundu can go to watch movie. Both of you cannot go at once. Lawara tenda. Remare. Ondila. Good. Neither of the essay is good lana halora. Yeah, Tenzin Joba inda.
No one.
Okay, no one. Exactly. This Kurangi bed that Suganji Tom Yaku Miduli Samba, Kurangi Suganji dina Misitungo Marata, Midulora Sama, Remara, neither Samba, that neither Mansi Nilali, the Mansi they refer to two things, Ra Yamna. Neither of essay is good, neither of yours essay is good. Remare. Oh did. Okay. Yes.
They consider the distributive pronouns. They can put on the group down to certain ring la pujeta.
Yeah.
Me chila pujeta to me.
Michila chik pachitang thumare. Yamna is more than one person. Yamna more than one thing. Ra. Yamna at one time. Tuju chikla pachitang. Yamna refer to one another. Chik chikla. Remember, either of you can go to movie later. But each kurangi tinjil hundu ta tinjil juban inchala ngi refer chido. Remember, either of you can go to movie later. Kurangi chik temuta doere chik derwa.
Okay.
Neither of the essays gulana. So in this sentence, sub Dina halo malaya essay mangbuji kana tigoro sto. Dina ngi essay neither of essays gula some essay ninja mi yago mdu lawara. What do you say?
Yeah.
Go to
so.
Sorry, Tilko. Did you know that neither of essays are good? Neither of okay, neither of essays is good. Ken say?
Think so.
Tang ngoni jig doing da ngoni review ji doing da. Review doing da nga chuna ju mi re thuba tang nga de ya. Okay?
Lasso.
Yeah. Tinji someone let de.
They do.
Okay, Tinji someone please explain to me now na khare nga de ya da dinema.
Nana she, he, me, I. Jala tong Shinji Tomu.
Okay. So kurangi now the khadi beji tangre.
Hakumas.
How come the still gonna teach it a lot? What I've written over here? Noun is a
Noun is a word used for a person, place, or thing.
yes. So for example, person saba khati changegi.
Person, place, or thing.
Example karşıyla sumo.
Oh, person tashi dolker etik.
Okay. Okay. The noun lana is a use word series used for a person, place, or thing. Remember, person, place, thing is problem denga chiku noun minchi indi pejitang res. Penchachina things is somo kyona medeng ki person and meal and maracha I can use khat things is somo and pejitang thura. Things is somo is a noun. Remember, what things la me. That penchachina kyona where are you right now? Kyona danda Belgium yorowa. Remember. It's a name of place. Remember, it's a name of place. Ni Benjum Dale and you can noun Pijutan Yerwa. Then I thing. Chala Mambojo, Kurang Chala Ngala Chala Yelan Dugoma. You have to mention I have table, I have chair, I have pen, I have clothes, I have t-shirt, I have hair ribbon. And the Lyra. See, you have a lot of nouns that you can use instead of mention things. Remember, Tindila. Very good. Okay. Can screen tongue do it?
송도.
Yeah, that types of noun, type shiro. Tangbu di tinsil hundula in the proper noun na kalore.
The petition Ming Yura, petition naming la, Tenzing Hindubra, that's person in a boil mara. Lungbal and a country, there are many countries in a. I'm going to go to that country. Shimas Taiwa. That can have specific yoma, that details yomara. That can have country lana that Lungba Mangoyra. Check out a bird or than Gami or the Shimas England or than La Yomara. That's country la yura. Proper noun la can Ming la yura.
Very good. Miss Kani, meet Tengora, remember, because you are specifying the names of place or person, remember, to whom you are mentioning, where you want to go. Remember, very good. Tundula, thank you. Any things dogala common noun na kalore. You can look at my PowerPoint presentation. I have written over there. Everything is there. Just read it and explain to me.
Nouns that do not refer of a particular person or place. Example, countries. That's boys. The pina color Sacha chisa drawn and Sacha the mingane. And they pina ming michi mingane.
Okay. Anila orata. Common noun atinji jubala nishigata dila.
Yeah. Common noun.
Oh yes.
Common noun is used to not while not common noun. Common noun does not refer to a particular person or place. Like instead of using Tibet, we use country.
Yes.
And instead of using a name of a boy, we say boy.
Name of a boy. Tinji malajingi boys lara. So boys is a common noun. Put sama ke common noun kare boys roa. Jacob sama ke common noun kare countries. Remare yamna state. Remare yamna nations. And lerwa. So me in the whole number of things together we have to mention one word. 60 pajutan in the jago yorwa. Remare. 이 법문 상마 애들 난지 아주 부줄어라. 그래 법문 저 그래 디 컬러 법문 저 만지 그래 다른 뭐 둘라나. So 법문 둘에 좀 girl 라오라. girl 좀 아주 common noun 차오라. 가나 girl ki pomotangwa represent chawara. Pomotangwa represent chayla ngajugi noun ji pijitan gore. Noun di karlana girls. Remare. So such kind of noun that represent a whole large number. Mangpuji nyam tu chen tuye ki noun de dwe. Ho dindila khala ulana common noun la gores. Goju se. Hello.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, Lobsang Yunde, please explain to me what is collective noun. Lobsang, you there?
I have no new.
Yes? Lobsang,
What?
okay, explain to me what is collective noun. Look at the point number 3 in this presentation.
Number 3? What's number 3?
Collective noun. Collective noun.
What?
Okay. Do you understand what is collective noun?
No.
Okay, I will tell you. Collective noun means a name of group of people, animal spoken as whole. You are referring to a bunch of people, a crowd of people, a team of people. You are not specifying anything specifically. You are mentioning in many things as a whole. Wow. Such kind of noun we call collective noun. For example, there's a lot of people who play basketball. So those people we called a team of basketball player, right? There's team like noun pronoun bila khala orla noun bila khala orla collective noun la ores. Yamare.
Yeah.
Yes, we.
Think so.
Good.
Teacher.
The
Yeah,
collective noun, the proper noun do chei mara kais na pechina team yora pechina semas Barcelona lana ancha FC Barcelona top sound lana ancha kancha collective noun da re ani proper noun da mara
proper noun na kirang chik dogs kan space chigore. Collective noun the proper noun da in proper noun na shi ki specify chao yo mare. This ya din nalo la crowd nalo mi mangbo chi de ro. Team nalo la mi mangbo chi de ro. Mi din ge chi de ro. Team of basketball play la na. Basketball play team nalo la mi ge chi ro. Like basketball team nalo ne James, LeBron James, that is proper now because you are specifying LeBron James from the Lakers team. Remare. What is the to say? Yes, sir. Good. Any abstract noun din da. Din the dollar abstract noun on kare. Din dollar in da.
Oh.
Abstract noun de shigeda.
Hello? No, я помню.
Abstract noun like what is abstract noun?
Pina lungana ani the future ina kala the tuya mare.
Yes.
When you're angry, you can feel it, but you cannot touch it.
Okay, so see, first of all, I hope you all are understanding what is noun. Noun are you all understanding what is noun?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If you are understanding what is noun, abstract noun na kalore. Pension fear and fear is a noun. Noun chirwa shenang laidi. Remare. Fear is shenang laidi noun chire. In such noun thing we can't see, we can't touch, but we can feel. We can recognize by us. Indeed, such kind of noun la kalone fear or tanashing love lara, tanashing courage, tanashing shamba kharere. Yeah, chunzo ngal example khashi steda, abstract noun khashi steda. Mire re ta. Yeah, tinji lundu la chikteda.
Fearless.
Oh, fearless.
Yes.
Fearless. Noun changmar is not become noun. You have to give me a noun. Yeah,
Kera.
yes.
I need to use the bathroom.
Yes, yes, you can go to bath. Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah, tinji somala abstract noun chite dangala. Pay example, give me example. Happy, I'm happy. Happy lady, you're happy, Roya. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but happy lady, you cannot feel each other. I keep on. Yeah, that ni example test so tinji somala jinda. Happy, dosa kare opposite of happy.
Sad.
Sad. Sad is an abstract noun. Remare.
Rape.
Yeah, tinji lundula inda example cheda.
Kisedu.
Kesudu.
Jealous.
Yes. Tinji juba cheda.
Anger.
Anger.
Yeah.
Okay.
Joy.
Good. Joy, anger, good. And tinji dollar.
Shy.
Oh, shy. Right, shy. Shy letting us we can feel your go na oko shy chasha. So shy chawa hakura. So this kind of noun any abstract noun la gores. Can say.
Siso.
Okay. And tanda joke pronoun tanda noun noun nalu gimde noun yawa. Ini pronoun nalu yawa manguchi ngi tanda deshe gyashe. Jijok tanda di ngi pibiri thola dosa. Ngi tanda PPT tingoni jijo ngi file china teach me de kranzo kulego kranzo dindal hamatina jaa next realism ngai kranzo mirire la tambo thore kuinda
Yeah.
Let's say,
tanda ngi dini noun library kranzo mango